What's up, guys? Welcome back to Ultimate Rebuilds. In today's episode, we're going to finish up the mini bike. All we got left to do is just paint it all and then just slap it all back together and it should be done. I got a few more parts coming, just little parts that aren't really super necessary, but just to make it look complete. Those will be in tomorrow. So hopefully we can get this thing painted by today and we can put it back together tomorrow and it will be done. So stay tuned, we'll see how it works out. Hopefully these videos start getting out faster so I have more projects coming, so I gotta get them going. So alright guys, thanks for watching. Stay tuned to the end, hopefully. Alright guys, enjoy. Alright, we're going to go ahead and start wet sanding this. It shouldn't take very long. I mean, everything is relatively flat, and yeah, I'm just going to go over it with some 320 and then over that with some 600, and that should take everything down to completely smooth, and then it should come out with a pretty good paint job, hopefully, if I'm good enough. Got my water ready, and yeah, just go ahead and get started. Alright, while the finished drying, I looked over these things. They don't really need sanded or anything because they're just going to go a black. I think I'm about doing like some kind of texture black. Not really texture, but like a hammered black. I don't know if you know those spray cans that they're called Hammer. And it's like a textured kind of look. They're pretty cool looking. I think I'm going to do that with the actual frame part. And then that's going to go the color. I'll show you it whenever I get it. And then I think everything else, yeah, everything else is just gonna go black. The underside of the fender is gonna go like a, kind of like a bed liner, and that will just prevent like rocks from chipping it or whatever. I don't have to like sand it down or anything. And yeah, I guess while we're waiting for it to dry, we'll go ahead and go to the store, buy all that, and yeah, I'll see you there. Alright, I'm back with all the paint. And see, this is the hammered spray paint I was talking about. It has like this weird texture to it. Yeah, I think that would look pretty cool. Here we go. And here's the color. It's called Pacific Blue, which is kind of like a teal. They were painted between 62 and 63 of Volkswagen Beetles. So, I think it'll look pretty cool. Let's talk about paint guns for half a second. Sam actually let me borrow his new paint gun. It's Eastwood's new CC 500, and he told me to test it out, see if I liked it. And yeah, I don't really know much about it. I haven't looked it up or anything, but he said it's supposed to be really good. So let's go ahead and try it out on this paint job. Might as well, right? Can we talk about how pretty that color is? I love that color. Paint gun, I have no complaints at all. Yeah, I mean, you can see how smooth it was. With single stage, I mean, that's like the third time ever I've ever painted with single stage, and I hated it before, but that actually worked out pretty well. Probably because I bought better single stage, and I also have a really nice gun. Yeah, I have no complaints. I'm gonna go ahead and clear coat it once it dries, because I mean, might as well, just for extra protection, especially with like your legs constantly rubbing up on it. I definitely want some extra just coverage there. And a mini bike, people are gonna knock it over and stuff, so it's better just to have more just layers on it. I only put like I put 2 coats on it, and yeah, it covered really well. Like the first coat even covered it all. So yeah, no complaints, love the gun. We'll try it out with the clear, see if it works well with that too. It's a 1.3 tip, which is used for clear and like base coats and stuff, so yeah, I'm happy. Alright, everything is painted, everything turned out just amazing. I had a little mess up on the fender, which is my fault. I hit it with my pants whenever I was trying to squeeze in between here. Had a little smudge on the blue, and I mean, it's nothing too big, I'm not going to worry about it. Clear came out great. I'm not even going to buff it because there's really no need to. Yeah, I have no complaints about anything. So, now that it's all dry, I think we get to put it back together. So one of you guys in the comments section actually told me I put on my tire backwards, and I didn't even realize it. So we're gonna go ahead and flip it around. I'm gonna try to take off these and just swap them, but I had a hard time with this one earlier. I'll try it again, see if it comes off, and just swap them, because that'll be the easiest way. And if not, I'll just take off that one again and pull the tire off and switch it that way. Of course, it's broken. That's pretty sad. Alright, we finished everything up last night, but it got too dark on us to actually take it for a ride. So I finished up a little bit of extra stuff I needed to do, and now I think it's ready for its first test drive. Alright guys, that's gonna be a wrap for this video, this whole series actually. Everything's done. There is a little bit more stuff I want to do to it, and I'll probably make another video in the future. I want to eventually buy a tail light for it, and also I want to take it to like some car shows and like record me driving around and just get people's reactions. I think that would be pretty cool. I also want my friends to drive it because no one has driven it besides me. I want to make sure they don't break it or anything. Just make sure everything is 100% complete. So I don't know what I'm gonna do with this. I don't know if I'm gonna sell it. I kind of want to keep it because it's pretty cool. It's unique. Like I said, thank you guys so much for watching. I have more stuff coming. This is like my most popular video by far, and that's really cool. It's got me a lot of followers, and yeah, and I've really enjoyed building this thing. It was an easy build and cheap, which is also a good thing. So let me know if you want to see something else like this, maybe something similar, maybe do the same thing but with different kind of fenders. I don't know, something cool. I do have other projects coming up, like I said, and those are gonna be here probably tomorrow. One's gonna be here tomorrow. So stay tuned, guys. Thanks for watching. Thanks for subscribing. Thanks for just being around and supporting me. All right, guys. Thank you so much.